Hi guys, my name is Abdul Kader Hector and we are today at Matroosberg Primary School where we will distributing our umbrellas and our rain jackets. Thank you.
My name is Josh and today we are at Matroosberg Primary School. I'm the procurement lead and I'm responsible for sourcing quality rain jackets and umbrellas that stay within the budget.
Hi guys, my name is Zain Pritchard. I'm responsible for the documentation and evaluation part, which manages feedback collection, project reporting and photography.
My name is Sean, I'm the school liaison and I communicate with the school staff and support selecting suitable learners.
Hi guys, my name is Kurt Anthony. Today we are with Matroosberg Primary and I'm operations manager of this project. Yes.
Matroosberg Primary School is home to children from low to middle income backgrounds. Children who, despite having very little, still show up every day hopeful and eager to learn. These children are the kind that have so little to be grateful for, yet they carry on with strength. Now imagine being one of them. Imagine walking every single morning to school and back in the evening, not by choice, but because your family can't afford transport. Now picture it's winter, it's cold, it's raining, and you don't have a rain jacket or even an umbrella. You arrive at school soaked, freezing and uncomfortable. You sit in class shivering and can barely concentrate. This is more than just uncomfortable. It can lead to sicknesses like flu, bronchitis or pneumonia. It affects how children learn, how they feel, and even if they show up to school the next day. This is a problem that demands a simple but urgent solution. The Shielding Smiles project was therefore employed to tackle such problems. Our goal is to raise funds to purchase and donate 20 rain jackets and 20 umbrellas to the learners who walk to school and are most affected by these conditions. Each rain jacket costs 170 Rand and each umbrella costs 70 Rand, resulting in an estimated project cost of 5,000 Rand. The purpose of this project is not only to keep these children dry, but to show that their struggles are seen and that we care enough to act. Sometimes something as small as a raincoat can make a big difference in a child's life. We were also inspired by the teachers at Matroosberg Primary. Many of them used their own money to buy clothing for students in need. That level of care moved us, and we wanted to support their efforts, not just with words, but with action.
Thank you, students, for this initiative that you took. It's really, really honestly thankful that you identify our school and our learners to do this. And I'm sure with this kind of attitude that you have, with your giving spirit and teamwork that you display, to be able to do this, you will achieve much in the future. So thank you from our school, and we wish you all the best for your future.
As Nelson Mandela once said, the youth of today are the leaders of tomorrow, and that starts with making sure that they are healthy, present and ready to learn. This project can also spark more community-based support in the future, encouraging others to contribute to projects that help children from disadvantaged backgrounds. We believe that these children deserve warmth, dignity and safety. They deserve to walk to school with smiles on their faces, even in the rain.